Signing up for the Mr. C's Unlimited plan is really easy. We'll walk you through the complete process in this tutorial. To get started, you'll need to first download the Mr. C's mobile app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play depending on your mobile device. In your App Store, go to Search and type in Mr. C's Car Wash. You'll notice it's quite easy to find. Tap the Get button and that's it. Once the app is installed on your mobile device, go ahead and open it up. You'll be greeted with this screen. The first thing you'll need to do is create your account. To do that, tap the button that says Sign Up at the bottom. You'll then be prompted to enter your name, email address, and phone number. You'll also need to create a password that is at least 7 characters long. Once you've done all that, tap the Submit button, and you're in. Next, you'll need to link a credit card to your account. To do this, tap on this symbol in the top corner of the screen. This will pull up your account menu. From here, tap where it says Credit Card Information. The first thing you'll be asked is to select a location. Please select the car wash location you plan to frequent the most often. This is because any purchases you make will be processed through that location. Selecting a location does not mean that you can only go to that particular location. Your car washes and app will work the same at any of our Mr. C's car washes. Continue entering your credit card information and proceed to save it to your account. Now you're ready to sign up a vehicle. To do that, tap the Manage Unlimited button here. Next, press the Sign Up a New Vehicle button. You will now be prompted to enter the year, make, model, and license plate number of the vehicle you are registering. Next, you'll need to choose a payment option. By selecting Recurring, the credit card linked to your account will be charged the monthly price the day you enroll, as well as the same day of each preceding month automatically until you cancel your plan. By selecting the Unlimited Prepaid option, the card linked to your account will be charged for 12 months beginning the day of enrollment and will expire automatically in 1 year. After you've settled on a payment option, select the service in which you'd like to enroll your vehicle. The price will appear in the field below. Go ahead and tap Save to complete your enrollment. To redeem your unlimited plan service, simply pull up your VIP card by tapping the Redeem Wash button. Once the cashier scans your barcode, any vehicles you have enrolled in our unlimited plan will appear on our POS screen, along with the details of your plan.